Good morning to all my subscribers. After a long time, I came back for giving some suggestions to class 10 students because today you have to finish your mathematics exam. So, the next you have your physical science exam on 25th. So from my side I'm giving you some suggestions. So already in your school your subject teachers, your physical science teachers given maybe not maybe they gave some instructions you have to follow accordingly, and do not waste your time. Take proper rest, take food properly, and sleep well. Exams are the part of studies. You don't take too much stress, but you should not waste your time. Eat in time, sleep in time, and utilize the time properly. Coming to our syllabus for examination, as you know, many exams are conducted in your schools. Revise all the question papers which are conducted in your school, and have a look on the government question papers from formative assessment 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 not there, summative assessment 1, free final exam question paper, and 100 days action plan. So you have your 100 days action plan. So follow 100 days action plan which is given by government. Follow, then read and revise all those question answers which are given in the 100 days action plan. Maybe some questions will come in that action plan. Utilize them, and if you are using some model papers, so read the question answers and all the model papers, because if you have 1.5 day time for preparation, so utilize the time properly. Revise all the question answers in 100 days action plan. Revise all the question answers in model papers if you have, or if you provided in your school, and revise previous year's question paper if it is possible, and have a look on the question papers which are conducted in your school. Then while coming to the chapter wise, chemical reactions and equations, balancing the chemical equations, maybe there is a chance of giving balance the chemical reactions or chemical equations for the following, and diagrams, hydrolysis of water, the decomposition of water, electrolysis of water diagrams are very, very important. Mug, battery, connecting wires, water, test tubes, so that diagram is very, very important. And explain various types of chemical reactions with examples. They are the very, very important. 4 types or 5 types chemical reactions are very, very important. and the remaining question answers also important in those. So all the important one may be given in the 100 days action plan, in the model papers, in your school exam question papers and the government exam question papers, everything. Then coming to the acids and the bases, applications of pH scale, applications of pH in our day-to-day life, they are one of the very important. And crystallization of water, how do we know chemical salts contain some little amount of water, those are called hydrated salts. Hydrated salts, experiment may be given. And how can in the chemical reactions, how can we prove conditions for maybe in the metals and non-metals, conditions for corrosion of iron, also very important. And acids and bases and salt chapter, chemical reactions of acids and bases. Some twisted questions may ask, there is a chance. Then coming to the carbon and its compounds, nomenclature, certain rules are there. Nomenclature, you have to revise them. Reactions, chemical reactions of hydrocarbons, combustion reactions, addition reactions, substitution reactions. Reactions are the very important regarding to carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds are also very important. It is also useful in intermediate also. Then chemical reactions, different levels of questions are given. Human eye, carbon and its compounds, they are the very important. Alkenes, their homologous series. Functional groups, what are the functional groups? Functional groups also are the very important. Homologous series, substitution reactions, how cleaning action of soap also very important. And there is a chance for asking what are the acids, what are the bases are used for making soaps, cleaning action of soap. Then coming to one more topic, light chapter, very important. There is a chance of asking ray diagrams. Ray diagrams are the very important. They given some tabular form and ask, write the position of the image, the size of the image, nature of the image. They will be asked by giving the picture, ray diagram, the formation of image, either in case of mirrors and in case of lenses. Problems also very important. There is a chance for asking problems in both mirrors and lenses. Should not be confused the mirror formula and lens formula. Mirror formula is equal to 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Whereas a lens formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. There is no confusion about lens formula and mirror formula. You must know the sign convention rules, Cartesian sign convention rules for both mirrors and lenses. They are the very important. And refractive indexes and the speed of the light in various mediums. They are also very important. By giving tabular formula, which medium light travel faster, which medium light travel slower, which medium has more refractive index, which medium has less refractive index, why in that particular medium the speed of light is more, why in the particular medium speed of light is less. So tabular forms, you must know the refractive indices of various materials or various mediums, and relation between the speed of sound, speed of light and refractive indices. They are the very important. Acids and the basic chapter we already discussed, very important. pH value. Then coming to the human eye and the colorful world. Human eye and the colorful world is a very important. Maybe they will have structure instead of structure. Eye defects, hypermetropia and myopia, cataract, how we are able to rectify that problems. You must draw the diagrams for a human eye defects, why the image of an object form in front of the retina or behind the retina, very important, how to be rectified. But the ray diagrams are the very important. Correction of the eye defects, power, then lens power of lens regarding to some problems. Then following terms, scattering of light, dispersion of light, presbyopia, power of accommodation of eye lens, then ciliary muscles, and applications of atmospheric refraction. Why the sky is appears in blue, sometimes appear red, white during sunset and sunrise. The why the sky appear in red in color, or the sun is appear red in color. They are also the very important applications of reactions. Draw a neat diagram, show that high reactive metal displaces the low reactive metals from their components. Metals and non-metal chapter, different parts are there. Physical properties one part, chemical properties of metals and non-metals are one part. Reactive series is the very important for examination, is a very chance. And extraction of metals, for how we can extract the high reactive metals, low reactive metals, and medium reactive metals. Calcination, some reactions are there. Calcination is important. Calcination. Uses of metals and non-metals. Various kinds of chemical process or physical process are involved during extraction of metals. Calcination, then smelting, calcination is smelting. Those also are very important. Have a look once then regarding to the diagrams also important. Then coming to the chapter electricity, parallel connection of resistors, series connection of resistors, some problems regarding to parallel connection and series connection. The most important topic is Ohm's law. Ohm's law applications, problems, factors affecting resistance of wire. What are the factors? Very important. How the length of wire determine the resistance, area of cross section, nature of the material, temperature. These also are the very important. Electricity problems, they are the very important. And power, electric power problems, especially for calculating electric energy consumed for different household appliances. The problems are very important. They are also very important. Then coming to the magnetic effects of electric current, they are also very important. the direction of magnetic field, direction of magnetic field. In case of straight line, in case straight correct current carrying conductor, and circular loop, then solenoid. That oyster experiment is very important in that. Some rules are there, right hand rule, left hand rule, Maxwell Coxo rule. They also important, very important. Fuse wire, joule of heat, heating effect of electric current, resistance, symbols, some symbols which are regarding to electricity, electric cell, rheostat, variable resistance, series arrangement, parallel arrangement. Then derive H is equal to I square RT, Joule-Thomson effect, parallel connection, series connection are the very important. We have to look at them, the problems. Carbon and its compounds already we discussed, right? Chemical reactions, functional groups, name nomenclature, homologous series of alkenes, alkynes and alkynes. Carbonates compounds, why carbon forms various chemical compounds, organic compounds, also very important. What is a solenoid, uses of fuse, direction of the magnetic field inside the bar magnet, right hand thumb rule, corkscrew rule, Fleming's left hand rule, Oersted law, experiments, current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. What happened? A current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. Or help of diagrams also important, and activity show that a current carrying conductor experiences a force, how much force is applied, in which direction the force is applied, are the very important. So each and every topic is the important, there is no exceptions. So as a physical science teacher, you must learn and revise each and every question answer, small definitions. Definitions are also very important. Diagrams, problems, some important concepts, activities you must know. So how many times you revised, how many exams you wrote, but the most important thing you have to keep in mind, so love the subject, then you get the interest to learn the question answers again and again. Every time you can feel even a small definition or the small diagram problems, you must know, you must feel that this particular question answers I didn't learn, I don't have answer for this particular question answer, so I must be learned. Then you get a small fear and you get some interest among learning question answer. Otherwise you should be take it as a casual, no problem, this question answer I learned many times, I wrote an examination many times. So the negligence is not good during this time, because of 1.5 day time, 50 marks exam, everything should be easy when you know the every answer. So this is the request and suggestion from my side for my 10th class students. So thank you so much. Finally, do not waste your time, utilize the time properly, eat in time, take good health, take good food, maintain your good health. You must need proper food, proper rest also, eat in time, sleep, eat and sleep well. Yeah, sleeping also very important. No tension, no fear, about our exam, about your exam, especially the physical science. In coming examination also hope you will prepare well, and you must write well the exams. uh, by the God's willing, if the time is permittable to me, I have to think, um, if you are attending for a APRJC or Polytechnic exams, so I want to giving coaching in my subject physical science through my WhatsApp channel. God's willing, the time is permittable, and let's see, it will be happen. I am also trying. I will try through my WhatsApp channel. We will discuss question and answers or some concepts which are useful for class 10 students who are attempting for APRJC or Polytechnic exams. From my side, I am trying to help you. So for that, keep touch with my channel. If not subscribe, please subscribe. Share the channel with your friends and with your relatives who are writing exams and who have interest to write APRJC and Polytechnic. So from my side, I am ready to help you. So whenever you follow my channel, thank you. All the best for your physical science exam, and all the best for your bright future. Thank you so much.